where's my truck? Should have gotten safe tire.
What does safe tire do, you may ask? Well, we have the answer for you.
So with this, what you would do is you would wheel up this tire up into our system, and it would be blocked by this backboard. Then you would press this button right here, and it would bring up this part over here, like that. And it would block the tire. It wouldn't be able to go forward. And in order to put it back down, you would press this button right here, and then you would be able to just go back out. And that's how we would keep your truck safe. So with this product, we have a remote control. You press a button and something happens. But in practice, what happens is that you press this button and it sends out a signal to this wire over here, which is the antenna. And it would give a signal through over here into this little Arduino system that we have here. Now, what this does in practice is it's wired up to like the digital read 2 and 5, 3 and 5. And so when you press this button, it reads a signal of 1 in these systems. And I have it programmed to where if it reads a system of 1 on the A button, it will wire the program 4 from here to our relay system, which will then turn on the relay system, so that way power from the VIN, the batteries, will be able to be directly wired from here into the motor to turn it on. Now, depending on which button you press determines on how long the motor is going to be operating, because as the motor is going this way, it's going to have force from our system pushing against it, so it will take longer, and it will take less time because it will be pushing for it on the other ways, which is why we required 2 buttons with the system.
So the disciplines needed to make the safe tire do what it does is you need mechanical engineering to make the structure of it and to put it in the motor. Then you need electrical engineering to do all the wiring that wires to the motor and the Arduino. And then you also need cyber engineering to program the Arduino to do what we want the safe tire to do.
So get your safe tire today.